So when you receive the new machines, all components is fully oiled and lubricated. So you need to clean it up before use. Use alcohol and tissue to clean up all the components. After cleanups, you place the powder funnel in position and put in powders. Then we can start testing the machine. To start, we don't know how much pressure needed to start with, so we adjust the pressure. Firstly, we loosen the screw lever, push up and down. Push up means reduce pressure, push down is increase the pressure. At the same time, there is you see there's 3 holes, 1, 2, and the bottom another one. The upper hole is the highest pressure, and the bottom is the lowest pressure. Adjust according to your requirement. At the beginning, we put the lowest pressure first for testing. There are okay, we screw it up, and there are 2 buttons. Green is running, the red is stop, and also act as a step forward function. So now we test the step forward function. So it come up with one piece. We check the thickness and also the hardness. So the results show that hardness is insufficient. In such a case, we need to increase the pressure. Before we do it, we check the powder filling. Is it full and complete inside the stamping mold? If the filling is not full or partially filled, then we need to check the powders. If the filling is full and then we need to increase the pressure. Loosen the screw, move the lever down a little by little. So prefer 2 steps at one time. Then we tighten up the screw. Each time we increase the pressure, we need to check the punching head movement and has any contact with the filling part. Use a spanner to turn the motor anti-clockwise. During the turnings, we need to observe the movement of these 2 parts. Has any contact? So like this, the movement has no contact, so it means it's okay. Then we stamp another one to check the hardness of the tablet. If it's no problem, then the setting is done. If you feel the tablet's thickness is too thin or too thick, so there is also adjustment for its thickness. Look at the below. It has 2 gears, upper and lower. Don't touch the upper gear, only adjust the lower gear. Firstly, we press the step movement to raise up the gear. So in between the gear, it has a stopper. So we loosen the stopper screw. Remember, only loosen, not remove the screw. Turn anti-clockwise, increase thickness. Turn clockwise is reduce thickness. After adjustment, tighten screw. Another we want to stress is that if reduce the thickness, we also need to reduce the pressure accordingly.